Hi viewers, welcome back to the Nibble Bowl. Today's recipe is a pomfret fish fry recipe. So let's get started. For the fish fry, I'm going to grind the masala paste. For this, I'm taking 4 cloves of garlic, 1 piece of ginger, seven sambar onions, some curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, one teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon peppercorn, salt to taste, and juice of 1 lemon. And blend it all up. The masala is too thick, so I am adding some coconut oil. It's better to avoid water while grinding the masalas. Blend it again. Now it's ready and I'm transferring the masala to a bowl. Now I am taking the pomfret and I have made the slits on it. Now applying the masala paste to both sides of the fish. Good applying on the slits too. And refrigerate for 30 minutes. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for getting more updates. Now I am heating some oil in a pan and adding some curry leaves. And then the marinated fish on it. Frying on medium flame. And flip over. Now our pomfret fry is ready to serve. Turn off the flame and serve it hot with some lemon and veggies. Thanks for watching. If you're new in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for getting more updates.